Ball Python Genetics, Episode 3, Double Recessives. There's no doubt that double and even triple recessives are some of the most sought after animals in the hobby. But what does it take to create them? If you remember last week, recessive genes require 2 copies in order for the snake to be homozygous for that gene. Very simply put, homozygous means visible. So with recessive genes, each parent can only pass on 1 copy of the gene. And since recessive genes require 2 copies to be homozygous, in order for an animal to be homozygous, both of their parents must carry that gene. So let's start by reviewing single recessive genes. If we were to pair Freyr, a clown, with another clown, all of the babies would be visibly clowns. However, if we were to pair him with a normal, then all of the babies would only receive 1 copy of the clown gene, making them het for clown. This means while the babies would carry 1 copy of the clown gene, visibly, they'd look like a normal. So if we want an animal to be homozygous for 2 recessive genes, it takes a couple of years and a bit of luck. If we were working with, say, clown and ultramel, we would first start by pairing a visible clown to a visible ultramel. All of their babies would then be double het for clown and ultramel. We could then grow those babies up and breed them with other double het clown ultramels.
And this is where our Punnett square would come in handy again. We'd start by writing down all of the possible genes that each parent could pass along to their babies. And then we put each parent's genes across the vertical and horizontal axis respectively, and then combine those genes to see how likely it is that we will get a visible or homozygous ultramel clown. So once we have the Punnett square assembled, we can determine the answer, and only 1/16 of the babies would be visibly ultramel clown. There are a number of different possibilities, of course, including visible ultramel, ultramel het clown, visible clown, clown het ultramel, and even just a straight up normal. Of course, some of the babies are going to end up just being double het ultramel clown, just like their parents. The minimum amount of time a project like this would take is about 3 years, and it's still a lot of chance.